Do you ever feel like you're working hard, your paycheck comes in, but you're still stuck in the same financial spot month after month? It's a frustrating cycle, and often it's not about how much you earn, but about the subtle habits that are secretly draining your bank account. Today, we're going to expose 5 poor habits that are keeping you broke, even with a steady job. First up is having a scarcity mindset. This is when you are so focused on not having enough that you miss opportunities right in front of you. You are afraid to spend a little on a course that could double your income because you are fixated on the upfront cost. True wealth starts with an abundance mindset, seeing opportunities for growth, not just potential losses. Second, you're only treating time for money. A 9 to 5 is great for stability, but it has a cap. There are only 24 hours in a day. The wealthy build systems that make money for them while they sleep. Investments, a side business, digital products. If your only income stream requires you to be physically present, you're limiting your earning potential. Habit number 3 is not investing in your greatest asset, you. I'm talking about education. This doesn't mean you need another degree. It could be reading books, taking online courses, or attending seminars. The more you learn, the more you can earn. Spending a few $100s on a new skill could lead to thousands in return. Don't see it as an expense, see it as the best investment you'll ever make. Fourth is unhealthy spending on status symbols. That brand new car or the latest phone might look impressive, but are they actually making you happy, or are they just making you broke? The desire to look rich often prevents people from actually becoming rich. Focus on building real wealth, not just the appearance of it. Your future self will thank you for buying assets, not liabilities. Finally, the 5th habit is surrounding yourself with a negative social circle. If your friends are constantly complaining about being broke, making poor financial choices, and discouraging your ambitions, their mindset will rub off on you. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Find friends who talk about investments, business ideas, and personal growth. Their positivity and drive will inspire you to level up. Breaking these habits isn't easy, but becoming aware of them is the first and most crucial step. Start with one, master it, and then move to the next. You have the power to change your financial future. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on building a life of financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.